What's up YouTube, BMR here, and today I received my new transmitter, so I just wanted to real quick open this on camera with you guys, show you what the packaging looked like. I ordered this from Kyosho of America, so it's direct from Kyosho, so I figured I'd just open it up on camera, see what you guys think of it. Alright, so when you order it, this is how it comes shipped. Got some nice paper, real snug in there. We got it out of the main box, so let's go ahead and take it out of this. So here's how it comes. So what do we got in the box? Got an instructions manual, some garbage paper. So anyways, I'll give that a read later. All right. So here it is. New KT-432pt. So I decided to get this controller because I want to upgrade from my current controller. I have the KT-19 right now, and this is a big upgrade from that model. It uses the same FHS frequency as well as the new FHSS frequency that a lot of the rear-wheel drive cars and as well as the four-wheel drive model, they're all using those frequencies. So I can use this when I want to get a new car in the future. I definitely want to get a rear-wheel drive car and maybe even a front-wheel drive car and convert it to an all-wheel in the future. I'll be able to use this one controller with all of those cars. It has 20 model memory, so I'll be able to use it with a bunch of different controllers, and it's just a lot nicer controller. I mean, side by side compared to the KT-19, just looking at these two controllers, you can tell it's a lot beefier, it's a lot nicer, but it's not all that much heavier. So it's a really, really nice controller just so far with the little bit of handling that I've had with it so far, but you can tell this looks like a toy and this looks like something that's a little bit more serious. But the other big reason that I wanted to get this controller is because of this right here. So this was another package I got. And this right here is the Evo receiver board. So I'm going to be able to use this controller right here with my MA020S that I have right now and any other sports models that I want to get in the future. But now that I have this receiver board, I can use this with any Evo cars. So I'm planning on ordering a 030 all-wheel drive car tonight. I'm going to place my order. I finally decided what body I'm going to get. I ordered my body, so now I just need to order the chassis. And so when I get that in, I'm going to be able to use this controller. I decided to get the 432pt because, like I said, it's compatible with all the other frequencies, with all the other ready-to-run kits or whatever. But also, I haven't seen anybody else using this. Everybody else has either the EX6R or the FlySky NB4. But I haven't seen anybody else on YouTube running this controller, so I wanted to get something different, you know, just let the community see how this one will do. So I'm going to order my car. We'll see how this runs with the Evos as well as the new 020. So I binded this with my 020 so far, and I've just played with it a little bit. And I gotta say, guys, I absolutely love this controller. So far, I've upgraded my grip. I've put the larger grip on it, and this thing feels so nice in my hand. It feels great. And you can also adjust the trigger. You can move the trigger forward. So I'm going to be doing that tonight too, just to make this thing a little bit more customized. That's a really nice feature with this controller is you can customize it, and you can also customize it to your car. I've just played with my servo trim a little bit and got my car lined up so my left and right servo throw is pretty much perfectly balanced now. That's pretty cool. Really like this controller. I just want to try to make this a shorter video. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. So this will be my new controller moving forward. If you guys enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing here on the channel, please consider subscribing, and hope you guys have a great night and see you next time.